Short biography of Henry Ford. In 1863, on a quiet farm in Michigan, a boy named Henry Ford was born. While his family worked the land, young Henry preferred tinkering with tools. He loved to take apart watches and machines. Even as a boy, he believed, "Don't find fault, find a remedy." At 16, he left home to work in Detroit as a machinist. But Henry had a bigger dream. He wanted to build a machine that would change the way people lived. After years of trial and error, in 1908, he introduced the Model T. It was strong, simple, and affordable. For the first time, ordinary families could own a car. Henry had proven his own words. Whether you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. Still, Henry wasn't satisfied. He looked at his factory and thought, how can I build cars faster and cheaper, so everyone can have one? In 1913, he created the moving assembly line, cutting production time from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. The world had never seen anything like it. But Ford wasn't only an inventor, he was a leader who cared for workers. In 1914, he shocked the world by doubling wages to $5 a day and reducing the work week. People thought he was foolish, but he believed. Coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. By the 1920s, Ford cars filled the roads of America and beyond. His ideas spread across industries everywhere. Yet he never stopped learning. He reminded everyone, anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. On 7th April 1947, Henry Ford passed away. But his dream still rolls on every road today. His life was proof of his own wisdom. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Did you know? Henry Ford. 1. Did you know Henry Ford built his first gasoline engine in his kitchen in 1893? 2. Did you know his first car was a quadricycle in 1896 with 4 bicycle wheels and a tiny motor? 3. Did you know Ford shocked the world by paying his workers $5 a day, more than double the average wage? 4. Did you know he helped create the modern weekend by introducing the 40-hour work week? 5. Did you know the Model T was so popular that, at one time, half the cars in the world were Fords? 6. Did you know Ford was close friends with Thomas Edison, who encouraged him to follow his automobile dream? 7. Did you know his assembly line cut car making time from 12 hours to just 90 minutes? 8. Did you know Ford once became one of the richest men in the world? 9. Did you know during World War II, Ford's factories built tanks, jeeps, and even a bomber every year? 10. Did you know, despite his wealth, Ford lived simply and often preferred plain vegetarian meals?